Hello and welcome back to our channel. After our amazing visit to the Batatos factory, we decided to try their whole new range of crisps. In fact, we're going to do more than that. We're going to eat them all in an amazing food crisp challenge.
However, then we realised there was over 1.7 kilograms worth of snacks to eat. I think we might have bitten off more than we can chew and made a slight mistake here.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to add, leave it down below in the comments. If you're not subscribed or followed, please consider doing so before you leave.
Don't forget to click that little bell icon so you get notified every time we upload a new video.
Thank you all for watching. Let's get into this monster crisp food challenge. If you didn't see our VIP tour of the Batatos Crisp factory, check it out in the description below.
It was a super interesting factory tour, definitely worth a watch. You will learn a lot about how crisps are made. Now, let's eat some.
Their new range, which was just being released, there are 3 different types of crisp. There are Wowzers, there are sticks, and there are ridged crisps.
All of which have 3 different flavours. Can't wait to try them. Where should we start? I think we should start with the Wowzers because they are slightly different to a normal crisp and there's a couple of interesting flavours as well.
Start with these first. So they're the Wowzers. They are zesty tomato flavour. All the crisps in Qatar are sealed ridiculously. Stupid. Let's get started. We're going to hit the whole range. So there's 1.75 kilograms of crisps in total. That's about 4 pounds. We're going to eat them all, every one, as fast as we can. Let's go.
These smell so good. They smell so tomatoey now these open the box.
Super tangy. Tomato flavour is really strong and very nice.
I don't think I would ever have chosen a tomato flavour crisp, but they taste absolutely amazing. They're really crunchy as well.
The dogs like them as well.
There's 2 very happy puppies trying to get to these. They are excellent and the flavour is incredible.
Super tasty, super crunchy.
Lee's been training for this, as you can see.
So tasty.
They've got a really nice flavour to them. They're not super tomatoey, they've got quite a tang to them. Really, really nice. They're not like a tomato ketchup flavour. They're definitely zesty like it says on the packet.
First bag down. So next we're going to try some of these sticks, like little mini sticks. These ones are salt and vinegar flavour. Let's see what these are like. Slightly easier to open.
Oh, they're in a bag, in a box. They're tiny. These are really difficult to eat.
Salty, vinegary, really nice. It's difficult.
Works out as about 8,300 calories if we eat the lot.
So I think we worked out that the whole amount of crisps works out about 65 to 70 normal size packets. I did also with my toys when I was a kid. I bought a full box of crisps, 48 packets, ate them in a weekend, but this is far more painful.
I've been hiding these crisps for about a week since I bought them, so Lee didn't eat them before we did this. There's currently 2 very happy puppies by our feet, scrounging to try and get any that we don't eat. Okay, the next flavour needs to be something not salt and vinegar.
Let's try some ridged.
Okay.
Regular ridged, not salt and vinegar.
No, what else have we
Salted,
got?
or we've got cherry tomato.
Oh, maybe cherry tomato. See what they're like in comparison to the Wowzers tomato.
Let's get into these ones. These are really colourful, like really tomato-y, ready coloured, so.
Well, I'm not sure about the flavour of those.
Certainly not as tomato-y as the Wowzers.
They're more like a tomato ketchup flavour, I would say. I think it says cherry tomato on the bag, so. But the ridged crisp itself is really crispy. They're super good crisps. I'm just not so keen on this flavour, I'd say. Crisps themselves are all really well flavoured. They are good crisps.
Beer meets food, leadership giver, respect. Wow. Let's go back in for some more Wowzers, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, let's have something a bit different. We've got some cheese. Cheesy flavour. Cheesy flavour, bacon and dawn.
Found here that a lot of the cheese flavoured things are very sweet, so I'm really hoping these are not sweet cheese. That's a massive portion. They are very orange.
Very sweety cheese. Very sweet cheese. Very orange also. Sweety cheese, that's what that is.
That is super sweet. I feel like they've got sugar on them. These are a struggle for me to eat. I have to say these are not the flavour for me. Maybe we'll have to knock a couple of calories off by the time Lee's finished dropping them. There's some very good puppy dog eyes going on underneath this table, I can tell you.
No, good.
That went down very quickly.
Boy.
1, 3, 2, 1. Good boys.
Call that one finished. Next up, lightly salted sticks.
What flavour were these?
Lightly salted, already salted. Nice.
They're quite light after the cheese ones.
These are difficult to eat. salty on the mouth.
The only bonus is I can only see 4 more bags left on the table in front of me. Whose idea was this?
So we've got some chili, we've got Fire Wowzers, and we have sticks, Chilli Fire.
There we go for the Wowzers.
Okay. Wowzers. Fire flavour. Red hot, fingers are juicy, look, can't even hold them.
Oh, the colour of those!
Oh, just what you don't want to see. Let's give them a try though.
They are fire by definition.
They look like fire.
Oh jeez.
They are fire. They're so hot and spicy.
It's getting hotter.
Wow.
I'm glad we didn't start with those because I think everything would have just tasted of that spicy. Like, it's quite a peppery spicy. Grows on you, it burns your tongue almost.
Good description, peppery spicy. Not chili fire, hot. Those are hot. And I like hot.
They're making me sweat. And it worries me there's another one with the same fire label on it.
I think they could well be the hottest crisps I've ever eaten.
I need a glass of milk. I'm not sure they are enjoyable. They are just so spicy.
Well, super hot.
Maybe with some dip.
Some beer.
They are intense.
It's like the things have been dipped in fire. Noodle? Try. Even the dog's turning his nose up at these.
I think I could breathe flames.
Like your mother. A minute, need another drink. I'll leave those Lucy for. I think these are more of a slow eat rather than a food shove in your face challenge, but they are so hot.
They are unbelievably spicy. I didn't know it was possible to make a flavour that spicy. Oh.
My favourite bits of crisps are the little tiny bits all in the bottom. So are Lucy's too.
No more spicy. I would say if you don't like chili or spice, they're not the crisps for you.
They're super hot. Like, ridiculously hot. Anyway, What's next? Some more fire?
No. Absolutely
I think
not.
the thing is now after maybe over a kilo, 1.2 kilos of crisps, my tongue's hot now after the fire ones. It's also it's rough and raw. I don't know what to suggest.
Well, it's either salted, salt and vinegar, or more fire.
Didn't think this through, did we?
No.
Okay.
This is
Difficult. It's difficult. Hats off to all the competitive eaters out there. So let's try some. Let's go for the ridged, lightly salted. Got the ridged, lightly salted left. We've got the ridged British salt and vinegar, and we've got some more fire. Let's go for these.
The thing is, as Lee said, now everything feels really raw, and after there was fire as well. What have we got?
Lightly salted, ridged.
Oh great, more salt.
Very nice crisp.
Another good, really crunchy, rough crisp.
Let me tell you something. Those fire Wowzers, I think they took all the skin off my tongue. These salted crisps, they're rough, they're ridged, they're sharp and salty. For me, I'm done.
Thank God.
I can't eat anymore.
No.
I have the room to eat some more, but my face, my tongue is saying,
No.
please stop.
My tongue and the roof of my mouth is so sore. Crisps are all excellent. Some of the flavours are maybe not my taste, but I have to say the zesty tomato at Wowzers
Delicious.
are my
Very
favourites.
nice crisp. They're all very good crisps. For me, I'm not a fan of the sweet cheese. I like the more tangy, savoury cheese. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you've not yet subscribed, please consider doing so before you leave. Give it a thumbs up and a like. Any comments, anything to add, leave down below. Click the little bell icon so you get notified when we do another video. Thanks for watching. I'm going to sleep and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!
Bye!
I'll just eat these few that are out here in front of me. They'll never go.